Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you guys. This was another case of me browsing the website, looking at a few items that I've had my eye on, and this one was in stock, so I quickly ordered it kind of without thinking. Big shout out to two of my YouTube friends, Double Vanilla and Jerusha. I'm sure you guys know who both of them are. I messaged both of them right after I purchased this because I was feeling a bit of, I don't know, hesitation or, you know, a bit of guilt for the impulse buy, but they both set my mind at ease because they both have this item and love it. So anyway, I will get into the unboxing and stop talking, but I just wanted to give a shout out to Double Vanilla and Jerusha because they are awesome and they totally convinced me that I needed to have this. So this is a true unboxing. I just kind of undid the first part of the cardboard box because it had my personal information on it. So let's take this out. Here's my receipt. And still with the Christmas wrapping, which is nice. Okay. So let's slide this off. So if you watched my unboxing, I don't know, I can't remember if it was last week or the week before, you would know that I bought the monogram Pochette Matisse and hadn't bought a Louis Vuitton bag in almost a year. Well, now I have bought two in the last couple weeks, so I guess I'm back on the Louis Vuitton bandwagon. But anyway, here is the box. I'm really excited to see this in person. Okay, here is the dust bag. Oh my gosh, it's so little and cute. Can you tell what it is by the shape? And oh my gosh, it is so cute. Okay, this is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini in monogram, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh, okay. I haven't really looked at this in person before, so I'm, because they never have it at the store, so let's see. Here is the booklet and the textile tag in there. The straps are in here. So here is the information if you need the code. And here are the straps. So I guess I have to put these together because it's 4 pieces, I think. Oh my gosh, it is really, really cute. And the canvas is very soft on it. Wow, oh, there's still one piece left in there, okay. So it was made in Spain. It's got the little back pocket. Wow, I have heard how much this can hold, so I'm excited to see what I can pack in here. And I'm not sure where the date, I'll have to find the date code. I won't do that on camera, but yeah, I want to keep this pretty short, but I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. I will inspect it closely once I am off camera, but it is really, really cute. So I'm actually really glad that I was impulsive and actually checked out when I put this in my cart, because I you know, it was a pretty impulsive purchase. But this will be my first luxury backpack. I haven't had one before, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, okay, so I will do a video, maybe a first impressions video, once I start using this. But I'm going to end it there. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much and have a great day.